Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can remove or close duplicate tabs at once using the Workona extension on Google Chrome. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to the Workona extension on your browser. Let me go with Google Chrome, for example, and navigate also to one of your spaces. And just for demonstration purposes, guys, as you can see, I added that tab as a duplicate to the same space. Now, if you have several of these duplicates, guys, and you would like to remove them, not one by one, because you can do that too by simply clicking into that close button here, but all of them at once, there is a feature for that to organize or to manage your space better. So to do that, click into these three dots here and simply select Close Duplicate Tabs. And now the second version of that tab has been automatically closed, as you can see. And that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.